Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where we get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today I am so excited because we got our hands on the new Xiaomi Watch S4. So this has been one of the most anticipated smartwatches of the year, and Xiaomi is really stepping up their game on this one. The tagline, "Dial up your style," has me really intrigued. So let's unbox this beauty and see what it's about. Roll that clip. So this is the watch, and if you can see, this watch is white, and the body or the frame of it, the bezel, is silver with the black round shape as well. So this here, you can see easy interchangeable bezel, long battery life, fall detection in skiing mode, delicate rotating crown, multi-dimensional health monitoring, L1 plus L5 dual band GNSS. This one is powered by Xiaomi Hyper OS. Well, first impressions, yung packaging niya is clean, it's elegant, it's stylish in a way, pero it just screams class. You know, this one, malinis tignan. It's clean, really nice. So inside, ooh, we got the Xiaomi watch. I thought it's a little thicker, but this is it. This is the watch. I think this is the first time that I'm going to give a first impression on a Xiaomi watch. Usually it's like the sports band or the thin, this one, it's premium. What else is inside the box? You have the wireless charging cable. It does have the 2-pin type so that you can connect part of the watch there. So here, yung parang metal connector niya. So there's a dedicated charger for the Xiaomi Watch S4. I'm not sure if pwede siyang nakapatong na sa wireless charging pad for you to charge it, pero and then the other part of the charger would be itong USB so that you can power it up directly. And what else is inside? You have the manual, and then that's it. That is what's inside the box. So first, please remove before use. Now, these are where the sensors are. So maraming nandyan, which we will discuss in a bit. And in front as well, to protect the screen. Interesting yung locking part nyo. Usually, sanay tayo sa Xiaomi bands na pinapasok nyo lang siyang ganyan. Pero meron pa rin siyang locking part here. And if you put that in, papasok mo siya papaloob. So, hindi siya katulad na iba na nasa labas. Yung excess strap niya, ito nakatago sa loob. So, it looks more clean when you look at it. Yung mga luxury watch that has that, I think it's about the right size of the usual smartwatch at this level. Hindi siya umiikot. You know, natatanggal siya. Customizable. So I remove it, and there's an option for you to customize it with another ring like this. So half turn, tapos just lock it. You don't have to turn, hanggang siya matanggal siya. Okay, so yun, just look at this design. It looks really, really nice. The screen is an AMOLED screen, and it's 1.48-inch display. AMOLED display na siya. So, di mo siya ma-power up ng basta pressing the button out of the box. I think you have to charge it first or connect it to a power para ma-trigger that you're about to use it. Ayan na. There it is. Xiaomi Hyper OS. There you go. Charging. 71% out of the box. For those na medyo bago pa sa Xiaomi wearables, every time that you open up, you can see this, itong QR kagad, pag nag-power up siya. Then if you scan this can directly take you to the App Store or where you can download the app so that you would be able to use the device. So the QR led me to this site, and then you just have to click download yung Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear nila. It's important that you get this for you to use the watch. Pero once you download it, you'd be able to track yung data that is being recorded as you use the watch. Yung steps mo, heart rate mo, whatever it is yung activity mo, you can track dun sa app. Sign in ka, or if not, you can just click on devices and look for the device. Lalabas siya kaagad na ganyan. Lalabas yung device na you're trying to connect. In this case, Xiaomi Watch S4. Tapos you just have to sign in talaga. So make sure you do. So once connected na siya, ganito yung mangyayari. And you have to pair it here. So easy pair, and then press check, confirm on your phone. And then we're good to go. So yun, wow. The display is really nice, no? I think it's really bright. It is adjustable at may automatic settings na siya for it to adjust. So na-mention ko na kanina that it is AMOLED, and the 1.43-inch is super bright. So magkaroon ka man ng outdoor activity, this one could definitely stand out at 1,500 nits. So talagang bright. I think yung interchangeable bezel is really nice. It gives that customizable feel, extending not just dun sa face na pwede may customize, but also yung bezel niya. So it has that premium feel talaga. And you can also customize this watch according to your outfit. Pinadalan din tayo ng Watch S4 bezel and strap kit. It's not just about brightness. It is also sharp at 466 by 466 resolution. And syempre, meron din siyang 60 Hz na refresh rate. So that is fast for this type of device na medyo small din siya at mataas din yung resolution. So 60 Hz is good enough. Even when you move from app to app, very smooth ang transition niya. Kasi for others na gumagamit ng ibang smartwatch, baka manibago kayo at first. It doesn't take long for you to get used to on how you would be able to navigate, to check yung mga settings, yung steps nyo, heart rate nyo, and everything, even yung location, and to track yung sleep. So madami dito. So dito yung button dito, usually iba sports mode, but this one brings up the settings, quick settings. And if you press this, yung rotating button niya here, it will directly take you to the different apps na pwede mong i-check. So, madami dito, customized, and maganda for you guys to explore it as well. But let us discuss some of the features of the Xiaomi Watch S4. So, syempre, dahil smartwatch siya, this is packed with health and fitness features. We have 24/7 heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking. We also have stress level monitoring and sleep analysis. They also have this cool one-tap health feature that allows you to track and monitor your health mo in a minute. So, one button, meron ka ng health report kaagad in 1 minute. So, that's pretty cool. Plus, pagdating sa sports or fitness, this one has over 150 sports mode. So, whatever it is na ginagawa mo, or running, basketball, badminton, or whatever, no? So, meron siya dito. For sure, meron dito nun. So, kahit anong activity, pwede. This one can help you track yung calories that you burn or any data that you're looking for. This watch can definitely track that. Now, other smartwatch would last you like maybe 4 days, 7 days before you charge it. This one can last you up to 15 days. That's quite long. 15 days, mag-charge ka lang like twice a month for the watch. So, that's pretty good. So, kanina nung nag-boot siya, pinakita ko sa inyo na ang Xiaomi Watch S4 is running on the new Xiaomi HyperOS 2. So, mas smooth siya at mas intuitive. So, navigating using the rotating crown is such a breeze and wala din siyang delay. So, very responsive siya. So, if you're gonna ask if you can customize yung watch face nyo at saka yung mga widgets, you can. So, kanina ganyan, panda siya. You can hold it. Tapos, switch to another display. Easy lang. Super fast. At isa pa na cool here is the Xiaomi Smart Hub is you can control other Xiaomi devices on your wrist. Palitan na nga natin to. It's cool, huh? Dahil first time ko talaga ma-experience yung watch ng Xiaomi na ganito, na watch talaga. If you're gonna ask me, ang first impression ko is that I'm really impressed with the Xiaomi Watch S4. I think that it is quite stylish. It is feature-packed. And the battery is really incredible. Ang laking, di mo naisipin na you have to charge it by the end of the day. You can wear it the whole night so that it can also track yung sleep patterns mo. So that way, okay siya. I think they delivered on the premium segment of smartwatches. Some really nice built type of quality that they use sa mga watch nila. And even yung mga features niya. So maganda yung nabibigay niyang watch experience. At saka hindi siya ganun kabigat. It has that right weight into it sa wrist mo na alam mo may watch ka. Tapos you're wearing it like this. So I like it. So syempre, dahil first time lang natin mag-unbox dito, watch out for my full review on my blog, mixoferything.net. But before that, let's try out yung bagong strap at kung gaano ba ka-easy magpalit ng strap at magpalit ng bezel. Ito na siya. Let's check it out. Ooh. I think there are other versions of this. Wow. Ooh. So ito yung laman niya. They have this bezel na napapalitan. Black siya na may texture something. Ganda, ang ganda. Ang galing, And there's also this. Na medyo rubber din siya or silicone, pero medyo may texture siya na medyo has that premium look din sa mga nakikita sa mga luxury watch. Ganun siya. Ang ganda rin yung hardware niya dito. Parang regular watch siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung lock niya. So ito yung to connect. Tapos dito, may lock din siya dito na pwedeng easily you can just try natin, pakita ko sa inyo. So gaano ba siya kadali? Ooh, that was fast. Yun na. Ayun na. Mabilis lang siya, promise. Ganda kasi, ayun na, yung black strap pero papalitan natin yung bezel. So this was before, yung parang aluminum silver bezel niya, pero pinalitan natin yung strap. And this is how it looks now. Hanapin mo lang, dalihin mo lang. Tapos, you're good to go. Ang ganda niya. So nice. I think I'll maintain this color na lang muna. The black one. All black pa rin bezel. No. What? No way. Ano siya? On my wrist. It's nice. Ganda. Fairness. I like it. I like it. May nakita pa ako doon sa isang friend ko na medyo rainbow naman yung dots niya. So that's quite cool. I like that. So yeah, Xiaomi Watch S4, really impressive, huh? I like it. And here is the best part. You can dial up your style with the new Xiaomi Watch S4 starting now. You guys can start ordering now. Okay, for only 8,299 pesos, you get the free bezel. That rainbow bezel. I think yun yung free. Parang gusto ko ng rainbow bezel. Now, that is an amazing deal for a smartwatch, okay? That's leveling up the offers for those who are interested to get this cool looking watch with a lot of features into it. And I think that is an amazing deal for smartwatch along with its features. So don't miss out and get yours now. Don't forget to check out the links below for more info about the Xiaomi Watch S4. Make sure you check out my socials as well for more updates on tech and lifestyle like this. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Hit that notification bell, share it with your friends. Again, my name is Mike, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. It's cool. So cool. So cool.
Bye.